This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters Plant Food.
Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to show you how to take a big group of succulents and turn it into one container garden with perfect drainage. So the secret is, you can see this broken flower pot, and that's kind of really the whole point of this, is to use up all your broken flower pots or things that people are throwing away. We're going to make levels. So I'm using this flower pot turned upside down. You can use a plastic one or a clay one. And it's got some soil in here up to the level where the crack is. So I'm firming this flower pot into the container. Now my focal point plant, and this is a yucca, Adam's needle. In an earlier video I showed you how to divide up a yucca. So I have this yucca, this is the focal point plant that's going right on top of that base. Now, to hide that and give it more stability, I have other pieces of broken pot. This obviously went right in there. I'm going to go ahead and stick those in there at an angle to keep that nice and firm. And now I just take my various containers. These are chipped containers, things I don't really want to be showing off. I can stick these in on the sides. Put it on the side there. I can choose this one, the side there. So the point is, I can turn them at an angle so you can actually look down into the face of these beautiful plants. And the one here that has the trailing sedum or succulent, I'll put this right into the hole so it can trail out. Okay, now I can add soil and I can add more succulents into these cracks and crevices. But you know the secret, and that is, this is paddle wire. It's any kind of wire. The short green little lengths of paddle wire, I simply bend them into a U shape. Now I can use these. I can pluck off sedums or succulents. Just kind of pull them off of other plants here. And then, let's say they don't even have any roots. You can use the wire to affix them into your pots and just push that wire in so they stay in place. So what you're doing is you're building a whole little community of succulents. You're using up broken pots, you're using up bits and pieces of plants, and you got a really cool, drought-resistant, full of texture container garden. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.